What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And if you saw last video and watched all the way through, you saw that I showed you guys this, a little sneak peek of this. And today we're going to be installing this. And if you don't already know what it is, you'll find out very quickly because probably because if you can read the box, you'll find out, honestly. But besides that, we're about to get right into this puppy. I'm just waiting on some buddies to come over to help me with this, and we're going to get right to it. So I will see you guys when they get here. I guess. Oh yeah. The instructions. Probably gonna definitely need those.
Instead of throwing the garbage.
Oh yeah, there's the tubes right there. I'm pretty sure.
Clamps and everything else.
Are they bent in half? Or no? I guess that's just as long as it is, maybe.
The bread and butter.
Yeah. The rest is shielding, I guess.
Used to be.
Get the battery disconnected. Battery disconnected. Should we get the instructions, or are you just going for it?
I'm gonna get this off. I'll probably need them to
know what to do next after you get everything on.
yeah, put it back in because that new one's gonna be a little different. It broke loose. It should be able to pull off now.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, brother.
There's that and dog.
I can definitely see kind of why
that one.
taking that bar off would be easier, but at the same time, like, I mean,
it doesn't seem to be too hard.
Easy out.
Yeah, probably not the best to have right there.
What? What is that?
A piece of plastic.
A gum wrapper or something,
Sucks
dude?
through your intake.
Unplug the sensor.
Yeah, it's a mass airflow sensor. Just pull it, grab and pull.
There we go.
Got that off. Now it should be ready to take on out of here. Pop that, it slides out. The whole box should come up.
Easy enough.
That right there. Now it's ready to take
The
out.
box should just pop on out.
Should fall right out.
Yes, sir.
There we go.
Out with the old and with the new, baby.
Look how big that thing is.
I would assume.
Yeah, just slip her on.
Make sure, like, when you do that, like, it's gotta be just like touching each other. It can't be overlapped.
Oh, it is.
So it starts down there, and then it might barely go past the kink.
That's out.
Oh, you need that sensor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this bracket off.
There we go. One bracket off.
And
Oh no, did we f up?
How?
Peel that off.
That's slicker than snot, brother.
Yeah.
We forgot to put that in first, so we had to take it back apart.
You do shit wrong, you gotta screw it twice.
The last one. I think I got it. Just need a little bit of torque. I can't even.
Yeah, it's good there. Well, it only took us 20 minutes to get that one screw in there. Literally, it was at least 20 minutes to get that one screw in
we
there.
need to go ahead and pull this back out.
Yeah, that. Well, should we tighten these first right here? Secure those down, it said, and then we can pull the filter back out. All right, so we got that secured, the heat shield now. Now we got to pop this thing back out, and then they just kind of had it sitting down in there, basically.
There's that.
Put that gasket on there. Hit it with the clamp. So the sensor just kind of, you got the screw?
Yep.
Okay. I guess it takes a 10mm socket for everything. That's pretty much what it's telling us. The hardest part's going to be getting that through there. Well, maybe not. The sensor? Damn, should we put it on after?
That's what I was thinking, but
Yeah. Alright, so now this should fit through here.
like a dream.
It's going to be a pain in the ass probably once it's...
Really, bro?
I'm weak, dude. It just fits like that, and we were making it complicated
I
as
just figured
hell,
that that rubber seal was the seal wrapping
Yeah.
that off. Where's that sensor?
That's funny.
That pissed me off.
We just took the sensor back off for no reason.
I'm just working around. Oh yeah, it's almost there. Keep going up into that little. There we go.
Is it on all the way?
It's on.
Big old bet. Now we just gotta start securing stuff for the most part.
Yeah, get that clamp.
That's gotta go in there better probably, right?
Oh yeah. So that's in. Now all we need is the top plate.
And we gotta secure this right here.
Yeah.
All right, so the shield's going on top of here. We got the crankcase line connected to the intake. Right there. Wait, I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, sorry.
Right there, there we go.
This goes right there.
Oh, bet.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Go ahead and plug back in the
Mass airflow.
mass airflow sensor. Why would they not tell us to do this first in a way?
You'd think, yeah, we'd do that before we put the thing on there.
Cause look, it's supposed to like form around that
What?
line and everything right there, dog.
Fine. Oh, that was poured off. There's that. Hot damn, brother.
Line that up in there.
There we go. I felt it click into place.
Did it?
Yeah. I don't know what made it do that.
All right, so is everything completed
We need
now, I
to-
believe?
If it were me, I would throw some zip ties right here. But
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that. We're gonna go ahead and put a zip tie there. Zip tie this down just because it doesn't come with the extra clamp, basically. One down, two down.
she's
All
done.
right. Should we get a first start up or whatnot?
First startup after the
Basically, we're just trying to see if this is supposed to be capped off or not. Capped off or not. Yeah, literally nowhere in here it shows the picture of that cap.
That's on. Cap.
Hell yeah.
Well, it's complete.
Yeah, it was honestly,
Looks good, too.
I mean, I didn't think it was going to be hard, but I didn't know how challenging it
It
would
really
be.
wasn't
The
that
hardest
bad.
part was definitely that screw.
That one's stupid
But besides that, everything else went pretty good, honestly.
That's usually-
All right, everybody, I just got done doing a little test drive. Everything appears to be hooked up perfect and good. The only thing that we really had any problems with was getting to the ground screw down in there. You can't really see it, but there's a screw all the way down in there, and it is a pain in the ass to get to. That literally took us longer to get that screw tightened down than it did to pull out the old intake and basically get this one installed, so that was a pain in the ass. And besides that, everything else went pretty smoothly, if you want me to be honest with you. There was no issues at all. The only problem that I did have is once we reconnected the batteries, or the battery, I guess, the terminals to the battery, and I started up the car, my display right there, my infotainment display would not light up and it was black screened. But after about 30 seconds, it booted back up. So I think it was just where the car was completely rebooting, basically where we unhooked the battery terminals and it was just booting back up. But yeah, everything went super smooth. It's, I can't notice a huge difference yet, but I've only driven for maybe like 10-15 minutes just to make sure everything's right. No check engine lights or anything pop up. And yeah, so far so good. But that is really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. Later this week, I'm going to be doing a video of basically about my first impressions, first drive and whatnot with the intake installed. The next mod is either going to be a throttle body spacer or downpipes, but the downpipes are a bit more expensive than the throttle body spacer. But you guys let me know in the comments below what you want to see me install next, and we can go from there. But yeah, that's really going to wrap it up for this video, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.